with this? Look, there's a hole. This has been serving us for 6 years already. So I think it's about time for this to be replaced. Look. Broken. Broken. Look at those holes. I can even see you from here. Anyway, without any further ado, let's go. Okay, we're gonna encash some money first. It's currently 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, it's actually currently 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and just getting started with this video. We have lots of things to do today, particularly my computer. It has given me a lot of troubles. Ano na? Oh really? There's the one that we need. They have it here. We don't have to go to Tsunwan.
Parang hindi maganda yung ganun yun. Yung gitna niya.
Okay, change of plans. We're going to Tsunwan. She doesn't like how the stove is. The flame. Okay, finally here in Tsunwan. Next we need to look for the store. We actually don't know where it is. We rarely come here. I think this is our like 3rd or 4th time being here in Tsunwan. Saan kaya yun? Well, according to our friend, we need to go straight after we get off from the bus. Okay, we've been walking for about 30 minutes now, and we can find the store. I hope we'll find this really soon, because I need to go home. I need to do something. I have lots of things to do. Hello? Here. Find this here. Same brand, but this one has this, and this one just regular.
Yeah. How much is this? 700.
Okay. Technically, it's expensive. Same price as the one in Tung, in Tung. Now what?
Yan din ba?
There's another one over there. Okay, they don't have it here. We need to go back there. We don't know if there's more over there, or there's definitely no more there. Okay, change of plans. We're not gonna buy anything here in Sunwon. We're going back to Tung. I don't know. See you guys later. Finally back home. Since that the first mission failed, Ian decided not to buy the stove in Tsunwan because she's not feeling well. Actually, that's the reality. So we're gonna do something interesting. This is my mid-2012 MacBook Pro. If you're having a mid-2012 MacBook Pro, the most common issue that you will encounter is the hard drive cable will fail, so it will break. So I had it replaced. So the very first one broke on me, and then the second one, after a month, it broke again. So what's gonna happen is that if that hard drive cable failed, we'll boot up with a flashing folder with a question mark. The only way to circumvent that is that we need to use this hard drive caddy. We will replace the optical drive. Here we're gonna remove it. We need the screw. This will take a while. Whoa, look at that dust. Let's clean the dust. I don't actually know if this will work. If this is safe. It will work, but I don't know if it's safe. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Yeah, I think that's better. Look. The screws are still here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next thing that we're going to do is to this the hard drive cable. This is the one that fails on me. This is the optical drive, so we're gonna take this off. So before we do this, we're gonna unplug the power supply. Come on. Okay. The next, we're gonna remove these cables here. I'll start with this two first. See this one here? This one. That small one. Oh, that's not difficult. All you're gonna do is to pull it out. That's it. Once you remove all this three here, you can lift this one here. I know this can be lifted. Actually, this is my first time doing this, so if I screw up, which is I think the best part, like you're trying to fix your stuff, but then when you screw up, that's where the great story comes in. Thanks for this guy. We're going to unscrew all of the screws here. Unscrew here, unscrew this two here, and then unscrew this three here. This will come off really quick. You need to remove this one here. You need to remove that. So by doing this, you need to be very, very careful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so scary. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope I can put this back. Here we go. Be careful. Okay, there we go. And then after that, we need to remove all this. We need to remove all the screws that holding this thing. This one. There's another one here. As far as I know, there's one more here, somewhere here. And I hope I won't screw up. You need to remove this thing also. The one that holds the cable. Okay, next is there. There's a screw hidden there. It's in there. There. Give way. This one is here. Give way, give way, give way. Yes! Ha! Wow, that's so dusty. You need to get this one. Okay. And then you need to get this one also. Now. Oh my gosh, this is so confusing. I hope there are a lot of screws. Look, so so this one here, let's start with this one. Put it here. And put this back again. Yeah, like this. Then the hard drive. This is the original hard drive of this computer. Okay, tighten it. There. Let's pop this in. Let's assemble everything. Flashlight. Where did it go? Where did the screw... Why, man, you're giving me a hard time. Oh my gosh. Okay, now time to put this thing back. Okay. Is it? Come on. Yes, it worked. Look.
How do you fix it?
Finally, I can bring this anywhere. Now the downside is I lose this. This is the optical drive. There. Doesn't matter if you see my password. He can't get this. Finally, no more external cables here. One last thing before I go.
You fixed it without it?
Let's replace this. And the problem is this that now it's fading. So I bought this one by oh, how come you can't see it? crystal guard MB. Look, it's transparent. So, okay, that's the end of today's video. Though we failed our first mission for today, but the second mission was a success. This is William saying goodbye. See you again next time.
If you want to be part of the family, just subscribe.
Yeah, sorry, that's correct. So, see you again next time. Bye.